Education is not the learning of facts, but the training of the mind to think and the heart to feel. These words by Albert Einstein remind us of the deeper purpose of education, not just to inform, but to instill values that shape character and inspire empathy. Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Values in Crisis, a call to action for the future of education and society. Today, we gather to reflect on a crucial question. Are values guiding us, or are we losing them? In light of recent events like the challenges raised by the Archicor issue, our commitment to core values such as integrity, justice, empathy, and responsibility has never been more essential. These values are what anchor us, what guide our decisions, and ultimately what define us as a society. Together, we will explore how these values can empower not only the youth but families, schools, and communities at large. Let us now begin our program. We are honored to have each one of you here sharing in this commitment to values that truly matter. Our theme today is, are values guiding us, or are we losing them? Through this discussion, we hope to spark a meaningful conversation and empower each of us to reaffirm our dedication to the values that will shape our future. Let us now begin the event. I now invite Ms. Ruma Guhonyogi, the principal of Felix School of Education, to deliver the welcome address.
A very good morning. Thank you, Priya. It's really, I'm having a heart which is beating a little faster because I have my wonderful guests here. Firstly, we have Hilda Peacock ma'am. Can we put our hands together? We have teachers from St. Peter's and the students from St. Peter's. They have taken out time to come so far. We have Purba, who is presently in AGPN but is our child from Felix. We have Sharada sir here, who is come miles away and he's always with us whenever needed. We have he's our joint secretary. We have our secretary ma'am, Ranjana ma'am. We have our working president, Bharati ma'am, Dr. Bharati Bakshi. We have our CBSE manager, Mr. Mukherjee. We have doctors here. We have our managing committee members here. And teachers, and most important, who are going to make India a better India, our students. A great applause for all the students here. We have the office staff. I welcome everybody. The topic today is because we want to know what you people will do with the world as it is coming towards somewhere where it's very disappointing, but I know our children are going to enlighten it with lot of values. Maybe at some time we have just missed out some, but we will make up for it. Values don't need a value education school or a class. It's imbibed. It's imbibed by the teachers, by the parents, by the managing committee members, the school, which has a wonderful mission and a vision. Here we don't have any moral science classes, neither do we have value education classes, but when it comes to service to humanity, compassion, respect, sharing, I want to speak of Felix more because I'm here with them. I think at times I am a backbencher there. They have got more compassion, they have got more values, they share, they learn, not because they are taught, because they see. They have seen our children, teachers, they have seen the seniors here. They do it by themselves, whether it's the gift they give during pujas or when they have anything to, any program like Sister Nivedita's birthday, or when they see somebody has not brought their tiffins, or when they see somebody has not got pencils and erasers, we don't have to tell them. That's what I learned from them. That's what I see from them. Or if a child has got a stern warning from any of us, immediately there is another child who says, ma'am, he will not do it again. I assure you. I think this is quite enough. Anyway, they'll speak out what they feel. I just welcome you all. We are here just to discuss, to think if we have forgotten, and if we don't know, to learn, and just to recapitulate all what our ancestors had. So welcome again. It's so nice to be here. I am here to learn. And thank you for coming here. Thank you.